I'm walking from the Panfa Leelard Pier, which is close to the Golden Mountain, in the old part of Bangkok. Walk along the canal to the new part of Bangkok, and the Siam Paragon Central World area. Boat guys even wear helmets in case they take a tumble. Continuing along Saen Saep Canal. What pier is this? Buffet Pier. Got some durian for sale here. Looks like there's a mosque in the community across the canal. Some shops along the canal here. A lot of them are closed though. Okay, I have to go up here. Fixing the paint job. If I can cross here. Okay. Buffet Market, 5th Bridge. Just trying to follow the canal as long as I can. It's a lot more enjoyable walking along the canal than it is on the sidewalk next to the road. Pretty big market here. Pretty much everything is closed though. Pet bird. Some fishermen here. Oh, that's a big one. Got a catfish. And up ahead is the train bridge for the trains coming into Kuala Lumpur train station. It's quite narrow here. I feel like I'm walking through somebody's house. Cover. Cover.
Đưa bánh luôn luôn tán. Tán.
And this is the end of the path. I gotta turn around, head back the other way. I think this is the way out down here. Very narrow here. Now I know there's a slum area up here next to the tracks. Guessing it's this area. Huh? Across the tracks here. No trains, no trains. Gotta collect the garbage here. Right, now I'm crossing over the canal as there's no walkway on that side. But there is a walkway on this side. and passing the next pier on the other side of the canal. Cheranpol Bridge Pier. Going under the bridge. And go this way. Ban Krua Thai Silk. Go check that out. Looks like it's closed. Old Thai Silk Factory of Jim Thomson. Interesting. Open daily, Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Oh, look at that. On the other side of the canal is famous Jim Thomson House, which I have visited. And if you're interested in checking out what Jim Thomson House looks like, I'll put the link to the video that I made about the Jim Thomson House in the description box below. For $20K. I'm almost at Saphan Hua Chang Pier. And this depicts the name of this bridge, Saphan Hua Chang. In English, Elephant Head Bridge. Bangkok, city of life. And there's MBK Center. This is MBK Center, normally very busy. As you can see, during COVID-19, it's very quiet. The camera section. Renovations going on right now, with tenants leaving. Here's the outside of the Tit Mun Buffet restaurant, $199 Thai baht plus 7% VAT. Here at Tit Mun Buffet restaurant and cafe tour in Bangkok, Thailand. Got some beef from the grill. Unlimited time buffet for 199 Thai baht. Try this meatball. Really hot. Lots of cool. Some sauce. Very good. Jim. On the grill.